In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Who app in Microsoft Teams. First, open the Microsoft Teams app on your iPhone. If you are not already signed in, log in with your work or school Microsoft account. This is important because the Who app works with your organization's directory, so you'll need access to your company or school environment for it to function properly. Once you're inside Teams, the next step is to find the Who app. If you don't immediately see it in the main navigation, tap More, shown as the three dots. From there, tap Apps. In the Apps area, use the search bar and type Who. When the Who app appears in the results, select it. If Teams asks you to add the app, tap Add. Keep in mind that what you see in Teams can vary depending on your organization's settings, so the layout may look slightly different from one account to another. After the Who app opens, you can start searching for people in your organization. Tap the search field, type in the person's name, and then choose the correct person from the results. This is a quick way to locate a coworker and access information from their profile without having to scroll through contacts manually. One of the most useful things about the Who app is that you are not limited to searching by name. You can also search by role, team, or area of expertise. For example, you might search for terms like marketing, finance, HR, project manager, sales, or accounting. This is especially helpful when you know what kind of person you need to contact, but you don't know their name yet. Once you select a person, you may be able to view details such as their name, job title, department, contact information manager, and other organizational information. In some organizations, if the organization feature is enabled, you can also see where that person fits within the company structure and who they report to. That can be very helpful when you're trying to understand team relationships or find the right point of contact. When you found the person you need, open their profile and use the available options to start a chat or contact them. You can also begin a conversation another way by going to chat, selecting new message, and then searching for the person's name there. And that's how to use the Who app in Microsoft Teams to quickly find people, learn more about their role, and connect with the right person more efficiently.